Hello, how we doing? Mush! Today is a new day. Oh, so much effort, so much work, but we've got to keep grinding. I did spend a couple more hours down there yesterday just tatting about. I was cleaning up so my tyres rub here sometimes and they rub a little bit here sometimes, and the loom is up here relocated and that rubs and builds up dirt. So yesterday I just sprayed some like degreaser, a bit of clean, a bit of fairy up liquid, and cleaned all of this area, basically all inside the struts, all on the top, under here. Just cleaned it all up. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna rewrap the loom, tape that up higher again, just make everything ready for the big project. We did the coilover bearing replacement the other video, if you've seen it, and last night we made a little start on trying to extract this nut. As you can see, it's snapped off on the exhaust housing. Now that has been like it for a long time, that long that I can't even remember. But I'm thinking while the engine's out, I'm going to get that drilled out. Shezy's coming down later with some sort of reverse tool he's got. I'm going to drill that out today to about 5mm, I think he says. And then hopefully he'll pop in with a tool and we can extract it. If not, I don't know, we'll have to helicoil it or something along them lines. But I'm not sure. That'll do. So I am going to get suited and booted for the job, and I'm going to just continue drilling that out and hopefully we have some sort of success. Yep, this is fun. Drilling out head manifold bolts is all the fun. Get yourself some knee pads, probably 3. WD-40, Makita drill and drill bit, and lots of different sizes. I started off like 1.5, and then now I'm at like 4.5. There's the drill, and all I've done is I've worked myself up from 1mm all the way to what Shezy says is a 5mm. I'm currently at 4.5. Splash it with WD-40 until we get to 5, and then we'll wait for him. Hopefully he comes today. He might not, but Sleepy's just turned up and I want to get this drilled out because we're having food. Pizza and chips. No, not pizza and chips, calm down. Mixed meat and chips in a tray. No vegans here, sorry. And that's it, 5mm. Give it a good clean out with some WD-40. Hopefully we've not gone in on the piss. Shezy will bring that tool down and we'll be able to get that out. That'll be nice. It's only been 4 years with it in there. Oh. Okay, this competition clutch has done well. Looks quite new. We're still waiting on parts to come in the post. We're waiting for the oil cooler, the oil relocator, and the adapter to turn it to an iron line. What else? Dunno. Probably about it, eh? Well, I'm going to eat, and then hopefully we can do this. If not, we'll not eat.
Oh my god.
Scared. Gives it all the beef when he's off camera, but as soon as you aim the camera at him, shave? No. But Shezy's on his way. So don't worry, I mean, you know what I mean? It's quiet on set, please, Sleep. It's quiet on set. While we're waiting for Shezy to bring the drill bit to reverse that thread out, I thought, you know what, I'm going to change this thermostat. I've had this thermostat 2 years. 2 years. But it is a bit of a pain to get to in my engine bay. But here it is. This is a Cosworth one. I think it's like a lower temperature. Let's have a look. Oh, new seal. No stickers. So that's it. 68 degrees. 68 degrees. We'll put that up there. Then we look like we need 3 10 mils. 1, 2, 3. Now this is going to piss of water, but probably not for us because well, the engine's not in the car, is it? Oh, that's one. 200 job, boys. 200 job. See it? Nice little short 10. Gets to that one and then gets down that one. You know, you know what you're doing. Ready? Oh. Stuck. Hold this, mate. The glue down with mush.
Super glue? I was right.
That's very super. Oh, get the hammer. Hey!
Super glue.
Why is everything so tight, man? Oh, sound. A bit more water. So there's no seal on it. They just used seal. 76.5. So us having a lower one means the thermostat will open earlier. I'm out of breath now. It's all that food we ate. Can't say that word on here. I've heard. Now, I hear that you need to put this little at the top and it helps bleed and let the air bubbles out. That's why it's there. Supposedly. So hopefully we'll have a better fit now because we've actually got a seal on. Seal of approval, he says. This doesn't look right, you know. This is going to be a bit awkward. So that's going to go there. The other thing's going to go on top. But it's going to take 2 hands to do. So we'll have to see when it's done. Don't forget nipple at the top. Now this seal, I don't know what it does. But it doesn't seem to do anything useful. So I got myself some instant gasket. I'm going to apply it a little bit around here, a little bit on there, and then we'll be able to put it on. Should be sweet. Instant gasket. Make sure it's waterproof. Waterproof. That's it. Nice little gasket there, and then I'm going to put it onto the engine. There we go. What I found was better was to actually put the thermostat on the engine, then put the pipe on. That's it. We're on. You can just see a little bit of weepage from where the gasket sealers come out. Lovely job. Doesn't need to be mega tight. Just tight enough to do the job. Yeah, gasket sealer goes off pretty quick as well, so you'll be quick. So, I'm going to keep this one because it was a good one. So if I have any thermostat problems in the future, I can just go back to the old tack corer. That was easy enough. Nice little 10mm an extension. Pretty much all you need. I went for the really small ratchet rather than the big one because there wasn't much room between the fan and that. I've took the hose off because I'm going to get new hoses. Everyone needs a new hose, don't they? I've got hose. Anyway, so I thought I'd just slip that job in there. and hopefully we get that out. That would be really nice, I'm not going to lie. Well, Cosworth, low temperature. This is pointless. Keep it in the box anyway. It's not fake. No fake stuff here, mate. No fake stuff here except for my wheels. Hey. Oh, where are we? Where's the torch? So, unfortunately, the hole we drilled, we got some reverse special things, and it snapped, which is terrible. And then I decided, let's get a nut, put that on top, weld the inside, and try and extract it with a welder. And that didn't work. So it didn't work. Nothing else to say. We broke Shezy's welding bit. We broke Shezy's tool. So now we owe him lunch. Sorry. Midnight Development coming to the rescue again. And then I go and break it. Sad. But yeah, that's it. There's nothing really to report. Complete and utter failure as usual. We'd expect nothing less. So now I need to ask an expert. Can someone come and fix this for me? Tomorrow I'm going up to see some pals, help them, blah blah blah. I'm having the vaccine, so hopefully I don't die. But yeah, I might drill that out tomorrow and see if I can do it. If not, I might die. Sad. But don't forget to like, even though there's nothing to like. Subscribe if you ain't already for the next video. And I'll catch you, you beautiful people, next time. Cheers for coming.
See you again.
See ya again.